SMDC Goods Days is the official residential leasing and tenancy management arm of SMDC. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Yung unit namin, when you acquire a property of SMDC and you want to earn passive income from it through rental, either long-term lease, yung hahanap ka ng tenant na mag-rent sa'yo ng buwan-buwan, or you want that property to be listed in Airbnb and operate it as a parang alternative of a hotel, we are here to help you how to do it. In fact, we'll operate it for you. Like I said, a property is a golden goose that lays the golden eggs. Pero bago yan mag-lay ng golden eggs, there's labor involved in it, diba? Siyempre, pag nag-acquire ka ng property, maghahanap ka ng tenant. Mag-repair and maintain ka ng property mo. Ima-market mo yung property mo. So as I said, para kami kumadrona ni Golden Goose, we will help you do those things for you. So it's hassle-free. Kayo, mag-aantay na lang ng inyong earnings from the property. So how do we do it? We offer 4 services in SMDC Goods Days. We'll start first with the long-term lease. No? So, you're a property owner, you want to have a passive income, you want to monetize your investment, so you enroll it with SM Goods Days. We have a team that will look for tenants for you, for long-term, kasi ayaw mo nung arawan, parenta. You want na isa lang ang kausap, so we'll look at tenant for you, and then we will just endorse to you your monthly income from that property. Okay? That's our service we call long-term lease. Now, Mr. Carl D has extensively talked about the Airbnb model, which is a very good platform. Ikaw naman, if you're a property owner, gusto mo yung Airbnb model kasi nga, mas gusto mo daily yung income. But again, as I said, it requires a lot of labor. You have to market it. As Mr. Carl D said, there are 6 techniques or 6 ways to make sure your property earns for you. That 6 techniques, you don't have to do it on your own. We have it for you. We'll market it. We have an existing system. We had an existing team who does all the operations work for you if you enroll it in Goods Days. And then you earn from your property. Para kayo, talagang ang trabaho nyo na lang, mag-acquire ng property. We help you make money from your own property without you doing the labor. Because at the end of the day, we want all the SMDC investors monetize their investment. We want it to be true to what we say, that the property you buy from SMDC will help you grow your money, or we will help you monetize it. So that's it. We have a long-term lease, we have a daily lease services, and also, if you are someone naman who bought a property for us or will buy a property from us and wants to live in your property, pero ayaw mo ng headache ng repairs, maintenance, even paying your bills and taxes, RBT bills, we also have the service for you. We call it tenancy management. In fact, recently, that's why we are here, we also launched another service. Meaning, when you buy a property for us, you don't want to think na, ano ba yung ilalagay ko sa property ko? Paano ko ba ito papagandahin so that I can live comfortably or I can rent it out easily? We also have what we call the furnishing services. We call good home packages. This is done with our partner affiliates, Our Home, SM Home, Ace Hardware, SM Appliances. So when you buy a property from us, hindi mo naiisipin kung anong ilalagay, paano i-decorate, anong i-furnish. Okay? You can have it all hassle-free. You can live in your property or you can rent out your property. So essentially, that is what SMDC Goods Days. Kami ang kumadrona ng golden goose nyo so that it lays more golden eggs. And you can buy more golden goose. So that's it for today. I will not discuss the details of our services and packages. The Good Home packages, you can find it in the back. And later on, when you have questions, we will answer it in detail. So, thank you very much and good afternoon.
Thank you so much, Miss Sharon. I love